This is Ryan Gibson here, and we are doing another video on Ryan Gibson's channel. And today we'll be doing another dog video with Todd. Say hello, Todd. Fly, say hello, Fly. Tess, say hello, Tess. See? And Lottie, say hello, Lottie. Right, Todd, do not snatch that for me, please. Now we have a prop today, as you can see, a nice Tuggy. Could you please say if I spelled Tuggy wrong? Because on Tuggy Wars, if you've seen Tuggy Wars, I have a feeling I might have spelled Tuggy wrong. If you know how you actually spell it, could you please put a comment on that video? And here we go. So I climb up this board. It's not actually meant for climbing. It's meant for Cody, because she does something which includes a lot of jumping. And no! Todd has it! Way! Yeah. Hey, Toddy! Hey, Toddy boy! Get him! Where's that go? Okay, this might be a very short video because we're not getting anything. Right, so let's have some fun then. Some throwing. You'll see what it is in a minute. Watch this. Okay, so there are some beans here. They are poisonous. We've got to make sure dogs don't eat them. They won't because they're not silly enough to do that. Kitty! Kitty! Gone. Good job. Right, come on, everybody! I'm today we are going to do some agility. If you have heard of it before, it is a dog sport. Come over here, Fly. Fly, come. Right, we need a Lottie though, because Fly has injuries, so don't want to make her do too much. So we do want Lottie, but this one doesn't work. So we're going to have to use this one. Oh no. Do they go together? Not quite sure what they do. Wait 1 second, people. Right. I can't figure out how to do that. So, we are going to demonstrate the hoopy hoop, which is this. Now they will have to jump through it. Lottie! Lottie! Through the hoop. See, as you may have saw, Lily. Through the hoop. Lily. Through the hoop. Lily, come. Lily. Okay, you're allowed to do that. Yeah? No. Come here. Wait. Through the hoop. Come Fly. No, you meant to go through it. Okay. Through the hoop. No, you meant to go through it. Come on, this side. There you go. You missed that, didn't you? And she goes through the hoop. Okay. So that's that. These are the jumps. I think they're not working because they're too far away. How close do we need it? Quite close, okay. Oh, sorry about this, people. My phone is low on charge. We're walking. The video is not ending here, though. I just can't be bothered to go and end it. So we're going to continue with some fun. Hey, Todd, come. Todd, come here. Come here, Todd. Steady. Steady. And come. Over. Todd, over. Steady. Over. Come on. Come on. Over. Over. Come here. Come, Todd. Come, Todd. Over. Over. Over, Todd. No, Todd, over. Right. Oh, like that. Just Todd, you're going to let him jump over. Normally you wouldn't do it this easy, but he's only young, so you've got to let him learn how to actually do agility. Once you've learned how to do it, we can show you how you do it properly. I might take a few. That's perfect. Okay. Put it on. Come on. Put it on. Put it on. Put it on. Right, it's on. Okay. Right, jump over. Stay. Stay. Wait. Fly over. Over. Good girl. Right, fly. Stay. Stay. Over. Come on. Okay, so that's what it is. You can also make it go up to there, or there, or even there, which is broken off from the same on this side. So now we're just going to pick it up. Ow. Also down here, we have the weavies. Now fly. I've understood. You're not the best at weavies. So you need to say, weenie, 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 and they will go in and out, weave. And then they'll go this side. In and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. So Fly, would you demonstrate? I know you weren't actually that good at weavies, weren't you? But we can demonstrate. Come on, Fly. Come on, Fly. This way, Fly. This way, no, Fly. Who like this? Who like this? And weavy round. So that's what you do with the weavies. There are more things, such as Cody, which she doesn't do agility at first. This isn't agility. But she does this thing where she has to jump over that. You may think that's impossible. It's not. She manages to run up, to go over there, and she will drop down there. That's why there's lots of scratches on the ground. Can you see that? Yeah. And there's not this side because she was stuck here. And there are some holes, so she actually jumps because she claws into the ground when she jumps. And then when she stops, she's got to bend her legs. Like when you jump, you have to go and you have to bend your legs when you stop. Otherwise, you just do that. But you can't. It hurts. Okay? You've got to make sure you bend your legs. I said this video would be a short one, but it's actually not, is it? Well, I don't really have anything to do now, I suppose. Might as well tell you, I record with my HTC phone and my Lenovo tablet. So if you wanted to know what types I recorded with, there you go. They will also be in the comments. Please do subscribe and join the team of RPG. Join Team RPG. And please like. Okay, thank you. Bye.